Hello children, I'm back again with one of the beautiful activity. Yes children, as you all are nature lover, isn't it? With the valleys, mountains, plants, beautiful flowers, trees, isn't it? So it is all colorful everywhere. So I thought to do one classic drawing with a cotton swab, that is going to be a earbud painting, which you all will love to do it. For that children, I am going to show one picture. This is one of the paintings which I have done with earbud. The whole scenery I have made. You can choose a composition like from storybook you can take any picture. You can take your room picture also. You can take your garden picture. You can create your own imagination where you can make a beautiful color picture. A proper drawing should be. For this children I have used fabric paints and poster colors also you can use it. Pencil, brush, toothpicks. These are earbuds, cotton, a little water. And to begin the activity children, first I have taken an A4 sheet where I have done a drawing, sketch, proper sketch. You can make a sketch with your pencil. Whatever you want to draw, you can do the drawing. And to begin the activity children, here I have taken this earbud. And if you don't have earbud, you can take a toothpick, the pointed area also and the thick area also. Now I am going to start the coloring. Children, you have to remember, as in this picture, you can see the broader area also. And some areas which is very thin, like flower, like ears, even the fingers here. A small detailing where you need to do it. So you all have to be doing it with this earbud. As earbud is little broad, you can do the detailing with your toothpick also by, you can, for small area, you can take a cotton and just roll it all around and it becomes little thin. For proper detailing, you will do it. I am going to show it to you children how it is to be done. Like I have taken a, children, as you can see the drawing, I am going to take this broader area. So your earbud is little thin. So to complete this page, I have taken a toothpick and you can make your own cotton swab by rolling it in this manner. See, like this you can roll it and it becomes little broader. Now you can dab the color. You wet the cotton little bit and start doing it. You have to do it in this manner. See, it's not spread also and you are able to do it. You have to only tap the earbud. Yes children, now I'm going to do this. It is my finishing end. I've used green color to show the background and I've used this little thin cotton swab to use it. You have to see the area, what type of area you are using and doing the coloring, whether thick or thin area, that you have to keep in mind. So this is the end part which I have done the green portion with cotton swab. Now children, as my green area is finished, now I have to change the color. So this you all have to decide what color you have to use where and which place. Now I am going to use blue shade now with another earbud. Now as I have taken blue color and a new earbud, so I am going to start this coloring part. You can make your own cotton swab children and do the painting as well as the earbud. Children, as you see, a lotus flower is here. So I am leaving the space. I am carrying on with the blue. I am not putting the color on top of the flower. So that detailing you have to show afterwards. Yes, children. Now this part also I am going to make it blue. As you can see, the water is flowing under the tunnel. And this area is I have left because frog is here and one flower is here. So I am going to do it afterwards. Whatever picture, children, you are making, you have to be careful and do it. Now children, I am here in the down area where you can see a picture of a frog. I am leaving this area and the other part I am going to do it blue. Because there a little detailing is to be needed to make the picture clear. You have to be careful while using your earbud. See how I am going to take out my earbud without touching the leaf. Now I am going to use other color for different picture. Now I have taken brown and a new earbud to make this tunnel. See children, now almost my tunnel is completed. Be careful when you are dipping the cotton in the water. Don't take too much of water so that water spreads on the sheet. You have to take just to dip the tip of the cotton. Paint should not spread. So this is a complete picture of tunnel. Now I am going to use another shade to make this green area. This is I have taken green color. See, if area is little broad, so I have taken little broader cotton swab I have made. And if the area is left, you can do it afterwards. You can check your picture so that not even a single area is left over. You have to color the whole picture. See, now my area is completed totally. Now you can make out from this picture what I am going to make. This is a colorful picture. Now, for this small picture of a lotus, you have to be very careful for your detailing. I am going to use red color. I am not going to use, children, this earbud because this is little broad. So I am going to make my own cotton swab. I have taken toothpick. From the pointed part, I am going to roll this cotton. Little thin. In this way. Now, very minutely and with patience, I am going to do the flower. I have not taken water, only color I have used. Like this, children. Now, again I am going to make one more cotton swab. Like this. do the leaf portion. This. And suppose you can see the area is left here, the blue portion, then you can take blue color and finish it here. Like this, you can complete your picture. And same, I am going to use another cotton swab to do the frog. This leaf is little broad, so I have taken another cotton swab. Color creativity can be yours. You can use your own colors, your own design, your own pattern. Children, it should be more colorful. Yes, children, I am doing leaf. So you can see the area. I have to cover it very minutely. The detailing part, you have to see how this area should give a finishing point. And if you see some blue part is left, children, afterwards doing the figure, then you can complete the leftover areas. Like this, blue is left, so I am going to complete it in this manner. Yes, children, now my frog is left and this portion is left. So to begin this, I am going to make another cotton swab with a toothpick, like this, for giving more detail. Detailing should be there for neatness. So I am going to use yellow color for the frog. Children, it's just a fantasy. You can use your own color, your own creativity should be there. It's not only frog should be green. I'm going to start. Very patiently you have to do this. Like this. See, now my frog is completed. Now I am going to use different color to make this circle. I am going to use orange shade. I am going to use new earbud. Like this, children, you can complete your picture. You can see my picture is dry for 10 minutes. It is completed and it is dry now. I am going to do the detailing part. As you see that my lotus flower is very thin and it needs little neatness. So I am using marker. You can use anything, whether this marker or permanent marker. For this flower, children, I am going to make an outline. To do the finishing. And here also in a frog, I am going to use marker. Like this. Now you can see the finishing part. I am going to use here also marker and leaf also, children. You can see Now very clearly this is a leaf here also. Now as you can see the other areas, I am going to use black paint to do the detailing. Here is my black paint and this is my earbud. Now I am going to start like this, children. You can do with earbud only the outer line to show more neatness and clarity. This way, then you can use your earbud. You can take earbud also, you can make your own cotton swab for detailing. It depends on your own picture. Like this, children, you can complete your picture. And now I am going to do it here. See, children, wherever you make line, you have to complete the detailing part. Then only your picture will look neat. Once your picture is completed, so you have to give your own title to your drawing, so that it looks neat also, and your name is also given what you have made. As in your English write-up, in your drawing, wherever you give the title, so this is the picture, you have to give the title also. So you can see the picture is completed with the detailing also, and the whole page is complete. So as I have taken this from a storybook, so my storybook name is The Frog Prince. This story is related from the Frog Prince. So this way you can make a drawing using your earbud, which is going to be very creative and colorful. Use different colors and your own imagination. I hope you like this drawing. You'll enjoy doing this. So thank you and send me the videos. Bye bye.